Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the F&M Bank app review to see with what you're using. So let's dive into it. The F&M Bank mobile app allows customers to manage their accounts conveniently from anywhere. It includes core banking features such as checking balance, viewing recent transactions, transferring funds, paying bills, and depositing checks through mobile capture. The app also supports biometric login for added security and offer branch and ATM locator, making everyday banking more accessible. Its clean interface and reliable performance have earned its strong rating on both iOS and Android devices. However, the app is more limited compared to larger national bank apps, as it lacks advanced budgeting tools, financial planning features, or credit score monitoring. Some users have also reported occasional glitches with deposit or after any update. So in conclusion, the app still worth using if you want, or if you're banking with F&M and you want a simple, secure way to handle basic banking tasks, but not ideal if you need advanced money management features or analytics. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.